Abhidip Portal Walkthrough, FLS. Introducing customized learning solutions for each and every employee, a breakthrough in learning and development. The learning solutions are based on the principle of 10:20:70%. 10% learning comes from formal training inside the classroom, 20% from coaching by the manager in the form of mentoring and hand-holding. 70% learning happens on the job. This portal is designed to give you a blend of all three approaches of learning. An online platform designed as per the learning needs of every individual bases their role. Now let us take a look at how this system works.
Log in using your credentials.
After login, you will be directed to a dashboard where you can check the progress of your tasks. A mandatory assessment is assigned to all. After logging in for the first time, you have to take the assessment. A message will be flashed on the dashboard that will prompt you to take the assessment. Click here to start the assessment. Choose the language in which you want to attempt. By default, English is selected. Click Next to proceed. Read the instructions carefully and click on Start Assessment. The timer starts as soon as you start the assessment. This assessment is time-bound and has to be completed within 1 hour of start. There are 40 questions in all. All 40 are to be attempted. If you leave the assessment after attempting, say, 20 questions, the assessment will be considered as complete or closed after the expiry of 1 hour from start. In case you are not sure of the answer of a particular question, you can skip the same and re-attempt later after the rest of the questions are done. The skipped questions will be automatically loaded on the screen at the end. Once you have attempted the skipped questions, a pop-up will be displayed for confirmation to submit the assessment. Click on Yes. A thank you screen will be shown confirming the submission of assessment. You will receive an email and also an SMS on your registered mobile about the completion of assessment. Leaderboard. Click here to view the leaderboard. This section shows your rank on different levels: national, channel, zone, branch, role, and vintage. These represent your progress on a personal level and your position at the national level. This is a representation of names and aggregate scores of your team resulting from assessment via comprehensive graphs and charts. Developmental passport. This section shows your developmental report or developmental passport based on the assessment, recruitment skills assessment, only for agency, knowledge assessment, and performance assessment of previous year. Under the competency summary section, click on each of these tabs to view feedback on each competency. This is an exhaustive report of your individual skills and competencies along with a roadmap defining your goals and steps for its attainment. You can download this report in PDF format for future reference by clicking on this Download Report button. Basis the progress report, you will be assigned certain time-bound tasks to be achieved. The timelines differ from one task to another. For example, the tasks in this set are to be completed in A plus 45 days. This means these tasks need to be completed within 45 days of completing the assessment. A stands for the date on which assessment is completed. Similarly, there are A plus 120 days, A plus 180 days, and A plus 270 days tasks that have been assigned to this employee. Each task assigned to you will be classified under one of the following three categories: formal training, support from manager, learning by experience. Tasks under formal training include classroom, webinar, or e-learning training, which will be supported and initiated by a local training team. Tasks under support from manager need to be initiated by your manager post a discussion between you two. your manager can also add tasks should be done additionally by you. Tasks under Learning by Experience need to be initiated by you and verified by your manager. On the dashboard, all the tasks are under Pending box as none of the tasks has been started yet. Click here to view the details. Under Task Details and Intervention, you will see a pre-filled task description. You can see the start and end date here. Any certificate or other documents that you may have received for attending a webinar or completing an e-learning module can be uploaded here. Click on Mark as Started to start clocking your task. You can see that the start indicator on the status bar has turned green and the in progress indicator has turned yellow. Also, on the dashboard you can see the task that has started has moved from the pending task box to the in progress task box. After you complete the task, mark it as complete. As soon as you click here, you will see a pop-up with 2 questions. What are your key learnings from this task? And how will you apply the above learning in your job? Answering these questions is mandatory, without which you cannot mark your task as complete. As soon as you mark a task as complete, your trainer and your manager will get an intimation SMS and email. In case of formal training tasks, your task will be considered as complete only after your trainer and your manager have given their approvals. Once the approval is received from both, the task will be complete. As you can see here, it has moved from in progress box to the completed task box. Note that the tasks that fall under support from manager or learning by experience require approval from the manager only. Your developmental passport will be complete after you finish all the tasks assigned to you within the given timelines. Profile. Fields like name, email ID, mobile number, date of birth, gender cannot be edited. This data comes from HRMS. In case you want to make any changes in these fields, you will have to write to your HR. You can edit your contact information like address, etc. You can enable 2-factor verification which sends an OTP to your registered mobile number every time you want to log in. You can change your password in this section. Support. If you need any support, contact your trainer or manager or raise an online ticket.